7111 North 9th Street. Just in time for the rain. Parking spot there. This is your street. And time to get rained on. Carport. Tile floors. Granite counters. New cabinets. Microwave. Oven. Oh, excuse me. Side by side refrigerator. Laundry room. Good size washer dryer. Room for some storage. Backyard. Fenced. Shed. Central heat and air. Oh, let there be light. Hi, living room, ceiling fans, 2 of them, living room, bathroom. Beautiful. Lovely mirror. Lots of lights. Bathtub and shower combo. Master bedroom. Ceiling fan again. All tile flooring. Closet. Second bedroom. Ceiling fan. Blinds. Third bedroom. Carpet free. Fresh paint. This completes our tour on a rainy day in Seminole Heights.